get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my.
Whoa. We can start early. Are we allowed to start early? I think we're allowed to start early. What is going on, guys? We're starting early. We got juice boxes. Just did some curls for the girls. Tries for the guys. What's going on? Otter gang. Hi, my name. Alex, oh, crypto. Let's go. We're starting way too early. Should we wait? We can take a time out. Will I get copyright infringement on a Friday for doing the Jeopardy song? Because we're going to be doing some Arnold Downs today. I'm here. What did I win? Curl on ice. Yeah, we got them rocks on ice. What's going on, guys? 12 Big Dal in the chat, man. We got people dropping in all day, every day. Justin Eubanks, Retro Mike. Retro Mike was here first. I don't know about all y'all, but Retro Mike showing up first. Retro Mike Tech. Okay, get it right. It's technical. All right, be technical. David P coming in. LFG. All set coming in. LFG, I'm back for some more chaos, he says. We like the chaos here. We're embracing the chaos, and the Alexo Cryptos have started already. Retro Mike is now blessing us. What's going on, Retro Mike? Hayden Killer, what's going on? Boom, boom in the chat, man. The gingerbread man who's also here. So let's not be some minging gingerbread kind of person. So, respect the gingers, because some of them may be a little bit demonic. Who knows? Steve H coming through. What's going on? Mr. Brewberry himself. B Team Crypto. Am I early? I was early this morning, too. Who would have thought that I would show up early? I'm looking up I always got to pull up the Arnold Schwarzenegger soundboard. That's just how we... Now, as a man who is very conscious of not saying any bad racial slurs, but Arnold's last name's a little bit testy, okay? So don't hold me to it. But who is your daddy? And what does he do? Because I want to know. Is he into Is he into trading crypto? Is he buying that spot Bitcoin ETF? I want to know that, okay? Also, I would like to say hello to some more people here. So let's go through, okay? Kopi Bor, what's going on? Good to see you, my friend. B Team Crypto, David Brumbelow, the man with the coolest name, Elo Brown, hooking up that catchy song, man. You guys are all here. Have you heard of TRD Farmer? We might have to make a TRD. Have you heard of TRB? In the emoji section. Alexandra G coming through. What's going on? The newest modder otter. What's going on, Alex? With the greatest name in all of crypto, Alexandra G, keeping us degens under wraps, making sure that we're all behaving ourselves. Crypto Poyo, post in the chat. What's going on, guys, man? Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Friday. Now let's do it now. Are we all gonna buy some more Bitcoin? Grandma, we told you to buy some more Bitcoin. And she didn't listen, did she? Did Grandma listen?
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
Welcome to Bitcoin, Grandma. Oh, we were having a giggle yesterday. Do I got a duck for this? I made this chart for you guys. I made this chart. Welcome to Bitcoin, Grandma. Just buy, and you'll go up. You'll go up 150% last year, and just buy it. Just buy it, Grandma. BlackRock, yes, cheap fees. Grandma, just buy it. Don't worry, we're good to go. Roth IRA, sign me up. It only goes up, right? That beautiful boomer coin. Well, we got that iShares Bitcoin Trust chart. And I mean, it's looking a little bit rugged. We've got some fire in the streets today. Grandma, first, what's the internet? She says. Now, my grandma's very capable. She's on the face plant. Okay, that's Facebook. She's on the Instagramming thing. She's on all that good stuff. However, this grandma, she might have just got rugged. Okay, so buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event, my friends. Buy the news, sell the rumor kind of event. Even people like Blockchain Backer saying he sold all his portfolio at this beautiful 618 retracement level. People looking for the shorts. Everybody saying, oh, I planned this the whole time. No, you didn't. Okay, you just pressed to sell, and you're kind of lucky that you got a blow off top here. Okay? To me, this is another opportunity. There's always opportunities. And I bought today, okay? I bought some Beam, and I bought some... I bought Beam, and I bought Miria. Okay, so I bought some Miria, right? Miria's down. I bought some Miria, and I bought some Beam, okay? Because I think these will do well, okay? I'm bullish on both of them. So I bought some more of this, and join us in the free Discord. Links are in the description below. And we had a rough day today, okay? We had a rough day today, but we did buy these. We have the receipts if you want them. We did have some trade setups that we were looking at. We didn't expect this major dump today. However, if you use a stop loss and you're prepared for that kind of stuff, then you can always trade that. However, last night I was out with Mrs. Otter, and you can say ARB. I put the alert out to everybody looking for the breakout on ARB. Okay, it didn't take very long. ARB this morning, guys, come on. ARB banged 11%. So we gave you guys a trade setup even last night before we went to bed. Okay, so for all you degens who like to trade, yes, we did come back down. We have come back down, but for all you degens who like to trade at 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 1 in the morning, we got the breakout, the retest, perfect trade setup. Look at that, beautiful 11% on ARB. Okay, so I mean, we gave you the beautiful setups, right, in advance, as per usual. Oh my God, Retro Mike with the 5 Alexo Crypto memberships. We got Wayne C was gifted a membership. Wayne C loves a good sandwich. We got Drumil Shah was gifted a membership. Jay Tillman, Kopi Bor finally got his membership, and Rob the Crypto Snob, our other Dutch member. Rob the Crypto Snob, we made Dutch wooden shoes. Roberto, my friend Roberto, the Dutch rudder. We have a beautiful Dutch Bitcoin wooden shoe for you if you would like to use it. This is for Mark Dutch, but you can use it too. I'm sure you guys have the same shoe size because you both like to go schlong on trades. So thank you so much, Retro Mike Tech, for gifting those memberships. I mean, God bless you, man. Thank you. You're always here supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate your support. And yeah, you're a real OG. You're Otter Gang, man. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. So we got some things to go over, of course, as per usual. And we always go into the X universe kind of deal, right? So let's go here. We were dancing yesterday. Wait. Before Larry says anything, hey Larry, I got a few questions.
Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind.
Fucking crazy.
Bitch.
Arnold says do it
Do it
now.
now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind.
Value in having an Ethereum ETF. As I said, these are just stepping stones towards
Did he just say?
tokenization.
Did you hear what he
And
first
I see
said?
value in having an Ethereum ETF. As
We
I
can make
said, these are just stepping stones towards tokenization.
Guys, did you guys hear that?
And I really do believe this is where we're
Rotation of
going to be going.
capital is
we have the
happening.
technology to tokenize today. If you want to talk about, think about this. If you had a tokenized security and
Larry, do
you
you
have
lift,
a
bro?
tokenized identity,
I don't
you,
think Larry
Andrew,
lifts.
the moment you buy or sell an instrument,
Correct.
it's known. It's on a general ledger that
Correct.
is all created together. You want to talk about issues around money laundering and all that. This eliminates all corruption by having a tokenized system.
Jamie Dimon disagrees with you on that.
Jamie Dimon disagrees. Who cares about Jamie Dimon? You think this guy cares about Jamie Dimon? This guy's got Jamie Dimon on around his finger. Him and beautiful Diamond Man, they like to spread the FUD. You know, they spread the FUD. They are definitely FUD spreaders. Okay. French Toaster, what's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Crimson Caravan Company. Okay, we got to share Crimson Caravan Company's trade. Okay, everybody, let's see some CCCs in the chat. I'll get it started off. CCC. Okay. Where's the trade? Where's the trade? Where's the trade? Crimson Caravan Company. Where is it? You posted it in here. Is it in the winner's wall? Crimson Caravan Company, don't let me down like that. I know you posted it in here. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the trade? 1400%? I saw it. I will find it. Okay? I will find it. Good job, bro. Good job. I'm proud of you. We got the Otter Gang here. I mean, this was posted in the Discord. This is pretty sick, don't you think? Now, if you were to pick, which one would I be? Which one would it be? Is it the one without a hat? I got lots of hats, though. I don't think they... Mr. J with a super chat on a Friday. We got lots of... we got lots of hats. And we crazy.
Fucking crazy.
Ooh.
Game over.
Sorry, Arnold. Am I a cop? I'm not a cop.
I'm a cop, you idiot!
Friday streams get a bit rowdy. Crypto Billy's in the chat. Guys, behave. Daddy's home. Okay. Mr. J with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Let's smash those likes up, my friend. Crypto Billy's in the chat. Make sure, I mean, if you're not tuning in to Billy Goat Tales, then you're missing out, man, because you're going to learn something. You got people with experience within this beautiful, beautiful cryptoverse that aren't degens, that are actually successful people who are living good lives and helping others and supporting others. And through that, we are building a community through Billy Goat's Tales, through this channel, through a whole bunch of channels of good people helping people. Miss Teen Crypto, Frankie Candles. Lifer, Crypto Lifer, all these people, we are all working together. My friend Army Piper, we're all working together to create a safer environment. Okay, we're in crypto. It is a bit degen. However, it is definitely one of the more safer, better places. Investment Bros as well. I mean, it's ad infinitum. I even put them in my description, okay?
The world holds on to old ways until it can't. When Bitcoin was born, it broke that endless cycle. It's not a defiance of finance. Bitcoin may help guard against the government devaluing your money. Finally, you can buy and hold Bitcoin in an ETF with the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, HODL. Search the ticker HODL in your stock trading app today.
Right? The ticker is pretty cool. What's going on? In and out crypto. Rocco, my man from Sin City. The community just comes through, right? So welcome to Cryptogram. I tweeted this, and then we made the chart for you guys here. And I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. We didn't mean to do that to you. But Grandma got rugged, so. Oh, man. So, pretty wild things going on in this beautiful crypto universe today, okay? So, we are prepared. We're prepared for anything. As traders, we prepare for anything. We got to see the contrarian charts, okay? So we got Capo here, okay? He's redefined his chart. So he's no longer in the 12K space, okay? And we've been talking about this lowercase yesterday. You can clip it. It's 31,800 for Bitcoin. That's my lowest possible case possible, okay? That's my lowest case possible. And for me right now, hey, Luigi, how's it going? My grandfather's down here. Hey, you're going to watch me? Okay. How are you holding up today, okay? Yeah? Augusto Luigi Asti. Hey, be careful with that. It's my grandfather's birthday. In 3 days, he's turning 87 years old, okay? 87 years old. Let me see if I can share a picture of me and my grandfather here so that you guys can be part of my family as well. Because we like to share, the family stuff here. Here, I got one for you guys. Okay. This is kind of cool. I think you guys would appreciate this. So I'm going to share this out to Discord. Here we go. They're saying happy birthday. They're going to sing happy birthday to you on your birthday there, No. Turning 87. All right, we'll go to the Discord. Let's go. This is me and my grandfather. I was robbing this year, okay? There's the picture. Oh no, he's got the putter. Uh-oh, watch out. So he's come to make sure that I'm honest with you guys and truthful. Are you gonna come say hi to everyone? You're on camera. Yeah, you're gonna be on camera. Because they're all here. Say hello.
I don't want to be on camera. Oh my God, no.
No?
No.
No? You better run then. Are you okay? Run away. Look, you're on camera. Yes? Yes, listening. Yes, I'll do that for you. No problemo. Okay, I'll do it for you. Of course. After the stream. On the top of the bird feeder, right? Yeah, I'll do it. Okay. Okay. I'll do it for you. Because I know Grandma will kill you. Yeah. Yes. Okay? Yes, sir. Okay. Grandma can't catch me. She can catch you. That is my grandfather. He came over to Canada on a boat when he was 14 years old. 14 years old. I gotta go fix his bird feeder. He loves the birds. I mean, he's the most humble, kind man you'll ever meet. I'm truly blessed every day to be able to come home. See, I was living in Australia and I came home to take care of him and my grandmother. Because, they're getting on, so I can shovel the snow and all that kind of stuff. And we're renovating the basement and helping out the family here. But we're definitely, I'm definitely grateful to have him in my life. He's been a big role model of humility. He was a very successful businessman in the glass business. He's a glazer, and he's shown me how to be humble yet strive for your goals and to work hard. So if that can rub off on anyone, hopefully that's helpful. But yeah, this is a family channel. We are definitely about creating wealth and financial freedom, but we're also about mindset, community, everybody helping each other. And I'm just grateful because I know a lot of people they don't have their grandfathers in their life, and I know how precious the time is. You can get rich, but you can't buy the time, right? So we always try to stress that. But he's got those Italian baseball mitt hands. He's an incredible human, and it's I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful, to say the least, right? Because I grew up with a single mother my whole life, and he was my father role model. So yeah, I get emotional talking about it. But anyways, let's continue on, guys. I mean, it's Friday. I ain't going nowhere. Stop laughing at me, Arnold.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Who is your daddy
and what does he do? I
do?
wasn't expecting him to come down and ask me to fill his bird feeder. Retro Mike with the $10 super chat. Grandpa bird feeder maintenance fund is oh man. Retro Mike, God bless you. I appreciate you so much, man. Thank you for supporting this channel. Super chatting on a Friday. I mean, we're getting this started.
Who is your daddy?
Who is your daddy and what does he do, man? So let's go over Bitcoin and what has happened, okay? So welcome to Bitcoin Grandma was kind of the intro here. But Retro Mike, God bless you, man. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. We're here for the viewers. We're here for you guys to hopefully find some strategies and wealth creation throughout Bitcoin. So what is this? To me, this is a buy the dip situation. Okay, so yes, we have this beautiful, beautiful triangle coming out here. We have this here. And we've pumped up. We've gotten the news, the wicks, and the drop down. Okay, so we are very cautious because we do have the bearish divergence on the daily. Okay, so this is something to definitely be aware of on the longer term time frame, is that we do have the opportunity here to see that we are getting continuous bearish divergence playing out here in whoever gifted in the long term. Crypto Pollo. God bless you, Crypto Pollo. Giver's gain mentality. That's the one. I mean, you guys are leading the way with this giver gain mentality. It is absolutely incredible to see all of you guys out here supporting the channel. I mean, I love every single one of you guys. I remember, Pollo, we came out and screamed at the top of our lungs for you to win that big money on Crypto Wars. And you did very well, man. I'm very proud to be your friend. And that was for Papa Luigi. Yes, that's the one, man. Madonna. He walks around in like a fedora and a house coat, and he does like the tomatoes and all that good stuff. I mean, absolute legend. Smoking the cigars all day. So what I'm looking at right now is this weekly doji, okay? This is petrifying, okay? This is petrifying. It is a massive shooting star, okay? So this is very bearish if it does not get above 40. Let's just call it an even 44,000, okay? So you want to see this come back up above 43,000. Otherwise, by Sunday, this is very, 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 very bearish, right? So weekly doji like this says exhaustion, says blow off top. It suggests a lot of negative things. However, we are getting to the zero line with the weekly. We can see the VWAP coming up to the middle line. We can see the volume or the money flow flowing upwards, right? So there's still an opportunity to hold this level, okay? Just because we've dumped today on a Friday after the ETF, after the news, does not mean we're bearish. Okay, we need to be very cautious about this. Bearish engulfing candle as well on the 3-day. So this is engulfing. Like I said, if we get up to 44,000, we can hopefully get up and not engulf this candle, which would. In and out crypto. Happy Friday. Smash the like. Saluto il nonno. Saluto. Nonno. Saluto il nonno. They're saying saluto. Salute. We're going to get the grappa. Yeah, 3 days, your birthday. We get the grappa. Oh, Madonna. He goes, whoa, whoa. And if you don't know what grappa is, it's Italian moonshine. And we have it with the espresso. And it makes you go blind. We'll keep it that easy. Thank you so much, In and Out Crypto. God bless you, man. And if you don't know, check out In and Out Crypto. He has a merch shop. I'm not sure what the link is, but I'm not sure what the link is for the merch, but go check out In and Out Crypto on Twitter. He has amazing merch, man. I love your designs and everything like that. That's awesome. That's awesome. Grappa, I'm ready. He says he's ready. Oh man, we got to do some shorts with no price predictions. That's what we'll do. So David Brumbelow says I'm still bullish. We're in bullish structure. Okay, so that's it, right? So we can see we have an engulfing. We're still making higher lows all the way through. And like I said the other day, okay, so for me right now, until we get below, it's funny how it works, right? We have the red lines and then the gray lines. The red lines are way more significant. I said, unless we get below, really, 40,500 here, I'm not really too bearish, okay? We are holding this key level of support, which we shared earlier in the Discord. So if you're not part of the Discord, join us there. We're always keeping our eyes peeled on the charts, but we're looking for the bounce to continue to push back here against the bears. Okay, big sell-off. Okay, big sell-off, which should be a reminder that it is a buying opportunity. Okay, so for me, I bought some altcoins today because I expect a rotation of capital into alts. Okay, and that's just very keeping it simple, right? You can see the Bitcoin dominance has come down today. You can see the ETH BTC pair has gone up today. So you can see rotation of capital coming through the markets. You can also see that the S&P 500 remains pretty bullish, looking to put in those highs. Okay, so this doesn't mean it's a very negative news. To me, it means that there's a rotation of capital that is happening. We have had a massive, massive move on Bitcoin overall. Now, does that mean we should sell? I don't think so. Okay, I do not think so. Some people may have a different plan. Some people may have bought. Okay, we were buying down here at 25K. Some people, we were buying here, and we were buying here. Some people have bought all the way down at the FTX collapse, and maybe they're feeling, okay, I'm pretty happy with that gain. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that gain. I'm going to wait for a cool off. Maybe we come down to that 31,800 level that we were talking about and continue upwards. And maybe they're looking to redeploy capital somewhere there, or they're trying to rotate. They're happy with their gains on Bitcoin, and they're trying to rotate into altcoins to get a bigger gain. Okay, that is great. Congratulations. For me, I'm looking to ride this out. I'm looking to hold at least till the end of 2024 / beginning of 2025. So for my HODL portfolio, we just continue to hold on for dear life, as they say. And we say, welcome to Bitcoin, Grandma, and good luck with all that. So for me, it's not a time to panic. It's a time as a trader to take opportunities of dips on some of your favorite projects that you do believe in, where we can look to dollar cost average and get better prices. With that psychology, you see red in the markets like we do today, we can change that mindset and be like, okay, it's a Boxing Day sale, man. Let's go, right? And that's why we went out and put our money where our mouth is and went and bought some Beam today. Right, we're coming back down to that support level on Beam. Went and bought some Miria today, back down to the support level on Miria, possibly Caspa. I'm waiting. We might get a little bit lower on Caspa. We did buy some down here at 10 cents. So there's some things that we're looking at where we can grab some better prices. Now, look at this. Just as we're speaking, yesterday we were talking about Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum, we're getting this massive pump up. Okay, and yesterday we were saying, okay, if we lose this level, we said this yesterday, if we lose this level right here, we are probably coming down to this box and getting a bounce. Guys, it's right there. It's right there, okay? Could we look at Quant today and get your general thoughts? QNT, I'm adding it to the list. Absolutely, we'll look at Quant. If there's anything else you guys want me to look at, we can definitely look at them for sure, guys. Tradefly in the chat, man. I appreciate you, brother. You had a lot of good words on Billy Goat Tails. You're killing it this morning with Crypto Archie. I mean, you guys are like brothers to me now. So you're stuck with me. So good to see you guys. Much love to every single one of you. I'm not a choir boy.
You're a fucking choir boy compared to me. You're a fucking choir boy compared to me. A choir
Who's your daddy and what does he do?
Don't be ridiculous.
Don't be ridiculous.
Just do it now.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
Give me a break.
And shut up.
Okay. So we got this beautiful bounce that we were looking for at Ethereum. Now, how do we get this level? Yesterday, we told you we went down into the nitty-gritty 30-minute, and we were like, from the move. Okay, so from the move, whenever I pull a fib for a quick bounce, you would think it's this wick. I would start from this wick here. I pulled it up to the swing high here. Okay, from here to here. Right, so I pulled it from this wick here up to here. Okay, and look at that. Look at that beautiful bounce. Bounce with me, bounce, bounce. Come on, shake, baby, shake, shake, shake. Okay, and that's how we get these levels. Okay, and when we get these levels, look at this. It works out beautifully. You typically don't expect these things to move up so nicely. Look at this, 30-minute dynamic reactor as well. Okay, like things just. The confluence is nonstop, okay? So beautiful bounce on Ethereum. We look for continuation on Ethereum, right? Rotation of capital. We were targeting 26 to get above, and then our next target is 2,800 as well, okay? So beautiful bounce on our key level on Ethereum. Let's see if it holds for now. And the major level below there is going to be around 2450, okay? So getting some good looks at some alts, getting some good looks at reallocating some capital, possibly looking for movements into altcoins / Ethereum / ETH projects are looking good right now. Okay, so like Arbitrum, Optimism. That's why we gave the Arbitrum trade last night. Optimism getting a nice move too, looking to hold this support as well. Okay, so I'm gonna look at Quant. And now throw some other altcoins in there. We'll look at Caspa. We'll look at Optimism. We're just going to go through the alts for you guys and make sure that we cover everything, okay? Make sure we cover everything. So just going through the top-down analysis from Bitcoin, we can see on the daily, it's curling over, posturing to the downside, red dot printing on the daily, looking to cool down. You can see the crossover of the VWAP onto the downside here for Bitcoin, looking to come down. So as I go across Bitcoin here, what are we looking to hold? Okay, so we can pull the volume profile across this section here and look at this. We are holding this shelf. We were talking about this shelf the other day where you can draw a box here where you're looking to hold this area, right? And as long as you don't lose this level, then you're not coming back down to the value area low, where you're looking to hold this level as support and possibly continue your way back up, at least to change the market structure. Okay, so how do you find that level? Well, for me, I would go down to the 4 hour, and wicks are still part of the structure. However, for me, there's going to be some serious resistance right here. Okay, why is this serious resistance? Just from a market standpoint, we are definitely looking at this level here. So you can see when we look over here, we can see we got tops here. Okay, we pushed through aggressively here, then we did a M pattern, right? So an M pattern, typically you do the split down the middle, you look for the measure move, and you get the measure move. However, if you do break down from this, or in a W pattern, if you break up from it, you typically come back to revisit the area that you get the V shape here. So that low of the V shape, or in a W pattern, you get the W shape like this, and you typically look to revisit that middle point. Okay, so the middle point here would mean that this is key level of resistance for our price to come back to. Okay, so I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled on this as a key level of resistance. If we do push back, okay, right? So we want to see that be a key level of resistance. Then we can pull a fib from the swing high to the swing low, and we can see that lines up with our 382. So a 382 to the downside, if we are to bounce from there, is very, very bearish in the sense that there's lots of momentum. If it gets to like the 618, then there's a possibility that we do just retrace and we continue our way upwards. But if we get a bounce from this area and we continue downwards, to me, that would suggest that we are looking for lower prices and could fall back into this lower range from before. So we're very cautious with what's coming up. But what is really coming up today is the weekend. Okay, so the weekend is coming. So we know that typically.
Don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous.
Sorry, Arnold. That weekends are pretty boring. However, this beautiful iShares Bitcoin Trust is not gonna trade during the weekend. So what if we get a big push up here and then we create a big gap now? So now we're going to be looking for gaps, not only on the CME futures, which we already look at. So let's drag this thing up here. So we already look for futures gaps, right? We get a gap, we fill it, right? There's one there, right? We get a big gap down here, we fill it. Look at this one, right? So we're going to be looking for those gaps, not only on futures, but on these ETFs now. Okay, so we will be keeping our eyes peeled now on things such as these ETFs now, because we're going to look for traders trying to fill these gaps or price action going to fill these gaps. Now, I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work out because it's all new, right? But we're bringing things to our attention that we can look for possible edges in our trading opportunities, okay? We're going to look at Near. I see Near in the chat. Okay, thank you for being here, King Kush. Much love to you. Alex O'Crypto, in an imaginary scenario, definitely not my situation, but what would you do if you happen to sell all your crypto for XRP in October, just before it all started pumping? Wait for XRP to pump? Yes. Yes. I mean, if you believe in XRP and the narrative on XRP, and who's to say, like, I do not hold XRP, so this is very non-biased, but who's to say you don't get that move, right? If you've dumped everything into here and you haven't got your moved and you're holding this stable coin, okay, not to be offensive, but it's pretty embarrassing that everything else is moved and XRP is just flat, okay? If you've dumped all your coins in one basket, let's say, I mean, it's time to consider maybe a break even and a rotation to some other projects that you do believe in, doing some more research. For me, I'm a blue chip guy. I hold Matic, AVAX, Link, ADA. I always share what I hold with everybody. This is my investment crypto portfolio right here. Okay, guys? Right here. If you want to know what I buy, it's right here. I'm like 50% Bitcoin, 30% ETH, 10% Link, and then the rest altcoins. Okay, a bit more ADA than the rest, but that's it, right? So for me, I'm not looking for the DGen play where I'm looking for 100x on my stuff. I'm looking with the amount of capital I have allocated. I'm very happy with a 7x, 10x. Okay, very happy, like pig and shit happy, right? So for me, I have decent buys and all those things. However, I'm going to add INJ to the list. I'm definitely happy with my allocation. I'm not looking for those, like this massive gains already, right? Massive gains already. Okay. So I would consider your allocation, maybe do some more research, and then, don't jump on the bandwagon. Don't just jump on what everybody else is saying, right? You're missing LDO. That's Crypto Pollo. And Graph. Oh, man. You guys are brutal. I love you all. Oh.
Don't call anybody. And I don't do this kind of work.
I don't do this.
Do it now.
Do it now. Do it now.
I'm a cop, you idiot.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
I lied.
When I said I'd kill you last.
I lied.
When I said I'd buy XRP.
I lied.
And you know how we feel about ADA.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Bitcoin's dumping on the live, man. This thing is ruthless. Oh, man. Look at it go. Bear flagging, dipping its toes, getting below this key level of support. We'll see if it continues its way downwards. But let's jump into the altcoins, my friends. So we have Quant, Near, Injective. Philip wants 3 coins. Philip, we'll give you a link. It may be Graph if you behave yourself. Was waiting for 38 to 30K BTC before entering other alts. Yeah, I would be buying an allocation dip kind of strategy. So I talk about this on a lot of my other videos. So get your key levels of whatever you're holding and whatever you're looking to buy. Mark out your key levels, right? So for me, I got levels everywhere, but maybe these are some of your key levels, right? So for me, it's like, okay, I'm going to put in 10% now because you got to have exposure. You want to have exposure. Maybe I put in 20 here, and then maybe I'll put in 70 down here. And that 70 can also be allocated as it hits this area where I'm looking for the lowest price possible. That 70 can be allocated on any of these little dips on your way up, okay? So for me, it would be a weighted kind of allocation, okay? So I'd get some exposure. It's not financial advice, but I'd get some exposure. Then I'd put in a little bit more, and then I'd put in a heavier amount. And if you do not get down there, then you're looking to ride the dips back up. So let's say this is your target. You're looking to grab these dips on the way back up, okay? Depending on what your altcoin is. And we have a lot of DCA videos on all the alts of key levels. But join us in the free Discord if you want me to take a look at any key levels for you. I can definitely help you out with anything you're looking at. Would be more than glad to look at that. Okay. So let's jump into our first altcoin, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Smash those like buttons if you're new here. Subscribe. We'd love to have you. Join us in the free Discord. We have trade setups. Everything is for free, and we're all here to help each other. So I got my TA section. We got four of us. I mean, there's more than 4 of us, but there's really good traders within this Discord. We're all here helping each other, trying to be more profitable and better mindseted for the future. Okay, so we'll get rid of Capo here. Capo, stop spreading FUD, bro. So how do we prepare? We prepare as a unit together, as a community where we are looking to make that profit together, right? So let's go over to Quant and take a look. Let's take a look at QNT. Where's QNT? I knew you were here. Okay, so like I said, we have levels for most things. The red levels are more significant than the gray levels. Okay, so QNT is getting a dump down. We were looking at buying QNT around $100. Okay, it had that massive surge up, double top here, pushing back down and looking quite bearish right now, looking to retest some lower lows. So for me, it's very simple. Support and resistance. Where's my next level of support? Well, you're hitting it right about now. Okay, so you can see that you have some highs here that are holding this level. So if we get to around 115 and we lose that level, we're looking to come back down to 112. Okay, so 112 would be a key area for me that I'm interested in. Also, that psychological $100 level would be like the greatest area in my opinion. Okay, so it took a long time to get above and out from here. So for me with quant, it's just a matter of patience and what you're looking to allocate for this quant buy. But you can see double top curling down here on the 4 hour. Look at the overextension here and the curling down. The money flow remains in the red ever since we got that massive move up. Okay, so you got this beautiful, beautiful kind of double top signal here, the double top M pattern where you're cooling off here, coming down. Inverse head and shoulders here. I can see that a mile away. So you get the inverse head and shoulders. That breaks up to the upside. You come to key level of resistance. Remember I said at the beginning of the stream, with these M patterns, you typically come back and retest that M. So look what happened, right? I didn't even need to come over here and tell it to you. You get the M pattern, dump down, retest of the M. You got a second retest here, okay? So this is now pushed down and engulfed actually all of this price action here. So you're looking to find support on quant. For me right now, you want to see these, like we said, where we're at right now, there is some volume. So you are looking for this to kind of hold up here. You can draw a simple trend line going over to your 1 hour. If you're looking to buy quant, you're looking at those lower levels that I pointed out earlier. However, you can see simple trend line here. Look to hold this. However, there's lots of bullish momentum in this move. This is actually quite a significant move. 10% drop from 6 a.m. this morning. So you can see it's gotten sell off just like Bitcoin has. So I would be looking for it to possibly come back down to this $1.12 area that you can see that had multiple levels of support. And if you do fall down below your next key level, according to the charts, is 104. Okay, so definitely be keeping an eye on your quant. I know a lot of people love quant. They think quant $700. Okay, that's a beautiful 5-7x from here. So could be good. I think the tokenomics are really good for quant. I've looked at it as well. For me, it's just not it hasn't made it into my portfolio. For me, I keep my portfolio limited to like 10 coins and under, and that's it for me. But I do like the tokenomics, and I do think quant will do well. So I do believe coming down to these areas will be a decent buy. So we're definitely watching that quant area right now. And you can see it's probably coming up to a local fib. If you pull the fib from swing high to swing low. Yeah, look at that. Boom, bada boom. Hitting that golden pocket. Okay, so looking for this to hold right now. Look for the bounce. However, with this bear sentiment and the weekend coming our way, we need to be patient with things like that. Right, Arnold?
I love it.
Yeah, that's what I thought, man. I didn't lie.
I lied.
Ah, you lied. Okay. I got no money, though.
I do not have any money.
No!
Don't be ridiculous.
Okay. Oh, man. Okay, let's go over to near. Near, far, wherever you are. I have a near chart. Where's my near chart? Oh, man. So near, we say near, far, wherever you are, because we're Canadian and, Celine Dion, okay? Like, don't hate, okay? So near has had a push up, and it hasn't had such a massive rejection as hard as most things today, so that's a good sign. You're below the point of control, so you're looking to come back down to this key level of support here, in my opinion. So you can see you do have some volume here. It did have a little bit of a wick and a touch here. So this would be your, your area where you're looking for a bounce on near. Now, a lot of people are bullish on near. I haven't done a lot of research on near. However, the charts are suggesting you're getting a bounce. Look at that perfect wick. Okay. So beautiful, beautiful bounce. However, if you do lose this key level of support, you're looking to come back down into this box. Okay. Unless you start putting in higher lows, what you want to see is the change of market structure. So you can see right now, I'm looking for something like this, the continuation. However, this took a lot of energy here in near. It's quite a nice flag that's forming right now. So a downwards flag suggests that we're going to pop up. However, weekend volume could suggest that we are going to just cool off here and trickle downwards, just like the Bitcoin prices, and then eventually look to hold this area of key level support for near. So for near, in the near future, we're looking for this $3.28 area to hold, okay? And then you have volume way down here, but I mean, we were doing TA on near down at like $1.50, which is pretty wild to think. You got a major trend line coming in. So if you go to the 12-hour, you look at near here, we got a major trend line coming in on near where you're looking for this to hold. You can extend this up now, okay? That's coming in. But you've gotten out of this bearish consolidation zone. So for me, with near, you're not likely coming back down to this area here, which is around $2.85. Okay, you're looking to range within this area, hold this area, and look to continue your way upwards, even though you've had this kind of like blow off top, double top, change of market structure. You want to see this start to make higher lows and higher highs on its way up. But overall, near has held its ground with this massive sell-off today. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for possible pushback from near. Okay? We're just rushing the charts today. It's Friday, baby. How you all doing? Are you guys having a good day? D. Jenny from the blockchain, what's going on? We got Crow as well. Sui, Matic. We got Crow. We got Sui. Now, if you guys want me to go into more of market cipher rather than levels and that, then just let me know. I don't mind doing market cipher analysis. I typically leave that for Bitcoin, but we can definitely look at all those things as well. So let's go over to Injective. Okay, Injective has had quite an amazing move. Okay, so you guys,
And no extra charge.
everything's for free here, man. Everything's for free here. So going through, maybe we should play some music as we roll through this. We'll turn it down a little bit for you guys. I got some music for you guys. Let me know if it's too loud. Is that too loud for me to talk over? We'll be all right. So you can see here we're moving Injective consolidation sideways. Looking beautiful, man. This chart has fired off, man. This chart has fired off. You can see we have a trend line here. So we're definitely watching this double top formation forming, okay? Double top formation forming. Look at that. Crazy TA, okay? You can see this here. We want to see this hold, okay? Third attempt at the top, okay? Very dangerous, though, because this third attempt at the top could mean a spell for a... Oh, my God, I can't even draw today. Could mean a spell for the head and shoulders pattern, right? So if we do get another top, right, it's very, very indicative of, you know, that head and shoulders, right? So if we do come back up here and we do fail to make a higher high than this one here, then we could be looking at that dreaded head and shoulders, and that would bring us quite lower, okay? So we need to be a bit too loud. Okay, we can adjust on the fly. We'll be all right. Okay, it's too loud. It's too loud, Alex. We just want to party, man. It's Friday. It's Friday. I don't know. I'm not a DJ, okay? Throw those others in the chat. It's Friday, guys, man. Hope you're had a wonderful week. It's been a great week for me. So Injective here, you can see we have some key levels of support and resistance. money flow has come out of Injective, okay? It's had a massive move upwards. We do look for Injective to hold this trend line coming up here. And that level would be around 36, okay? $36 that you really want to see Injective hold. However, it is really just consolidating, right? You can see it has put in some lower market structure, but until this lower level here, around $34, $34 is broken, we look for continuation to the upside. It's been actually quite a pleasure to trade Injective. We've had some good calls in the community, in the Discord. I think Steve H, Mr. Brewberry himself, has had some great calls on Injective. We're coming down to the value area low. And like I said, around this $36 with low leverage. I mean, you're getting quite a beautiful range here that is pretty easy to predict, if you ask me, where you're looking to pay yourself early and ride these trades to the upside. However, a nice cool off of these alts. I mean, look at the chart to my right here. It is red, like the Red Sea. So we're looking for this to bounce from here. However, weekend consolidation. Remember, I'm going to stress that tonight, is that we're looking for that weekend consolidation and then possibly a pop to the upside, okay? We're definitely looking for a very interesting Sunday close. Alexandra with the juice box. What's going on? We're going to open up another can of whoop ass. I mean, another juice box, because, you know, this is not sponsored by apple juice, but we do like it. A nice apple juice in the evening, okay? Maybe that's crazy. I don't know. But we are below the point of control looking for this to pop off, okay? Going over to Link. Now, I do love Link. I hold quite a big bag. I think I got 1,500 Link. So we're definitely a bull on Link. And Link's doing its thing. It's consolidating sideways. We've drawn this key level of support, okay? It's acted as support. And look at that. It's come back perfectly and retested it. So we were watching this. We saw the massive move back up for Link. But, you know, we got that major sell-off today, coming back to that key level of support, which we had marked out on our charts, where we are looking for a bounce. So that's around $14, psychological $14, right? So we're looking for this area to hold, as it has with many of these alts. They have put in good support. So we look for them to continue to hold. You can draw like some sort of momentum line here and look for the bounce and a continuation up from here. But you can see, look, mini head and shoulders pattern on Link on the 1 hour, playing out quite nicely. If you just draw that up, that's very, very technical and simple, but yet effective, okay? And you lost that, you fell down, you came lower, okay? So Link, we're looking for the bounce here on key support. Now my key level, if we do lose this level, is down below here, right around $12.85. So if you are looking for a little bit of a DCA action, this could be your area that you're very, very interested in. I mean, I think even around here, I do believe Link is still a 10x from here. Call me crazy, but I love my Link, okay? So hopefully Link can keep it up. Happy Friday. Miss Teen Crypto's in the chat. What's going on? We pumping up the music. They're saying it's too loud. I disagree. I think it's perfect. The club is open. I know they open up the club in Sin City Crypto. You have a rave, right, Randy? Is it that you have a rave? Is it a rave? I think it's a rave that you have. Celebrity in the chat, Miss Team Crypto, what's going on? We knighted Alexandra G the other day. We're out here having too much fun. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Throw the otters and the cookies and the hearts in the chat for Randy. Randy coming through. Much love to you. You know we love you here. We love you here. We love you here. Thank you for your support, Randy. I like the name change, by the way. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Let's go. Givers gain. Everybody out here helping each other. So we're going to go over to Graph now. We're going to go over to Graph now. GRT in the place to be. I know my friend Farmer was farming this coin. Ooh, the graph. The graph. It sounds so intense. The graph. The graph on MEXC? GRT? TRD? Nope. We're going to do Matic is after. We'll do Matic next, my friend. Thank you for being here, Frembo. Much love to you. We had my grandfather on earlier. You would have loved to see him, Randy. It's his 87th birthday. He's ready to get drunk on that Italian moonshine. Oh, man. So, the graph. Oh, my God. GRT in the place to be. Uncharted territory. Let's look at the graph. We can see some key levels of support and resistance simply here. Let's pull up our volume profiles here. Let's also take a look at Market Cipher B on the daily. First, we'll go over here, and we can see that we are getting a green trigger wave, which is actually quite bullish in my opinion. However, we have cooled down from the dump today, so it's down 5.5%. We need to be cautious with this. We are at a key level of support and looking for this to hold. However, we want to be very cautious going into the weekend. Like I've stressed to you, we are going to see minimal volume, okay? So with things like this and GRT, we can expect it to hold. However, if we do lose this area, we can be looking to come back down to this key support here. Yeah, we can see we got some volume there and some volume here. However, that's not as significant, so we'll make that great. So bullish momentum to the upside. However, a big sell-off today like we've had in the market. So we're definitely keeping our eyes peeled here, waiting to see what what kind of story it's going to tell over the weekend with that crucial weekly close, okay? Keep your eyes on that doji candle for Bitcoin, okay? So for GRT right now, you would like to see it hold at this 17-cent area. However, if you do lose this level, look for the 1623 or this one here as your critical support at 1535 and for a bounce from there. However, it is on the 4-hour and it is being sold off. Money flows coming out, so that isn't looking too healthy for me right now. And you can see it's really struggling to hold this level. If you do roll over here, you're definitely coming back down within this range. So look for these levels to hold, and hopefully that is definitely your key levels. Going over to Matic, let's do Matic. But like I said, guys, if we go over to the Bitcoin weekly chart, this is the scary thing right here. Okay, this doji or the shooting star, not doji, shooting star candle here is very bearish in my opinion. So very cautionary tale. Going over to Matic. Now, Matic is very similar to Ethereum. You can see we talked about the rotation of capital from Bitcoin into Ethereum. And now Larry Fink, he's talking about Bitcoin and tokenization and all that stuff. So very interesting. Now, we had this key level of support here that was holding. However, we have lost that today. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this minor trend line, and we're going to look for Matic to come back and retest these levels. Now, we were buying Matic down at 76 cents. So I do believe we're still in a very suppressed area for Matic. And I do believe Matic is still a good buy, not financial advice. However, when you zoom out onto something like the weekly and you look at the suppression that Matic has had in comparison to other alts like Solana and all that, we still have 250% basically up to the top of the previous bull run, okay? So I do believe Matic has a lot more room to grow, especially with the rotation of capital into Ethereum, into Arbitrum, into Optimism. Okay, I think this is all going to be very bullish, and I think Matic will just tag along for the ride. However, we can see that it has struggled to get above here, but look for Matic to come down to 85 cents and hold that key level, okay? This is a nice, beautiful range. You're falling back down, probably to the point of control. We would like to see Matic continue this movement upwards, okay? And we know where our key resistance are as we do that. So Matic is still, for me, yes, we've had a sell-off today, but this is opportunity. Remember, we're changing the mindset. When we get sell-offs, this is like Boxing Day, baby. Let's get it. Let's DCA. Let's get those good buy-in average prices, right? We need to change that mindset around when we get a dump. If we are bullish long-term, we're preparing ourselves for the end of 2024 to May 2025-ish area. That's where our target is for selling. Okay, so right now it's about accumulation, right? So anytime we get these opportunities, you got to take them, right? Otherwise, you're gonna feel the FOMO when, like Larry Fink did to my grandma, when it says "Welcome to Bitcoin, Grandma," and this is what the ETF did to my grandma. And then Arnold goes,
I do not have any money. I do not have any money. Don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous.
I can't hear you, Arnold. What did you say?
I do not have any money.
Oh, man. We love the otter emoji here. Thank you so much for being part. We gave Mark Dutch a pair of wooden shoes. I don't know, but he's definitely doing the moonwalk. Oh, dang. When do they do this? I've seen their Sunday streams. Okay, so going over to Crow. I think you guys asked for Crow. Crypto.com, baby. Crow USDT. Crow's got a good move. I mean, adoption from Bitcoin, right? So another player, I mean, for us Canadians, Crow is actually one of the main sites that we can use in order to buy altcoins because we don't have KYC verification in Canada. So all that good legal stuff. With Crow, though, we're definitely watching Crow for this beautiful flag. Okay, if it loses this level with Crow, very, very bearish. Okay. However, it's had such a massive move up that we're definitely looking for it to hold. And you do have another level of support here that you had a little stall out. So this will be your lowest level, around 7.9 cents. However, we're definitely trying to hold this area for further upside. Now you can see the big sell-off, and be very careful when trading these. Stop loss is a must, okay? You can see how scammy the price action is. Unless you're looking to buy on spot, you can see that this price action, for me as a trader, I wouldn't even touch this with a 10-foot pole, okay? Because of the scam wicks, this to me, yes, it can respect TA. However, it's gonna invalidate your stop loss right away, right? So you can, if you're just looking for a breakout here, and you, let's say you get long for the breakout, and then all of a sudden, okay, I'm getting long for the breakout, and then you have a tight stop loss here, and you're targeting the previous high, okay, you get this little scam wick. That's gonna really upset you, okay? So we look for things with more fluid, more smooth price action that you are looking to trade. But you've made some bottoms here. You can see there is a little bit of a trend line coming up here. However, I would look for this to hold and continue its way upwards after the sell-off today. But like I said, remember, let Bitcoin lead the way and tell you which way it wants to go. For me, Bitcoin right now, it's looking to roll over, possibly hold this. So we're looking for a bullish divergence here and a possible retrace up. And that 45,500 is going to be the key level of resistance if we get the pushback, which is also the 382 level for our Fibonacci. So definitely keep an eye out on Bitcoin to let you know which way price is going to go. Okay, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Retro Mike, gotta bounce. Have a good evening. Much love to you, Retro Mike. Thank you so much for coming through and supporting the channel. Whew. Tino won't be streaming tonight. Oh, come on. Market maker. We need the market maker. Bloody hell. The manipulation in the markets. Okay, don't let Mrs. Otter hear me. I can't do the British accent. She always makes fun of me, but I always try. And then Arnold, just something in me just goes, do it. Just do it. Just do it.
And I don't do this kind of work.
Do it now. Do it now.
Whoopsie.
Do it now.
Just do it. So we're looking for this to roll over. One more. How many do you guys want? We got Sui. We'll go over to Sui. Did we do Sui on Binance? 1:30. I'm usually busy. That's why I don't see, but I'm going to keep an eye out. Okay. Am I going to fill in the 2-hour live stream now? Are you guys ordering me to do this? I did a 9-hour live stream on on Wednesday. Okay, I don't think you're gonna get that out of me today, but we can always party together. B Team Crypto, I'm off to Jiu-Jitsu. I got to train a Navy SEAL today. B Team Crypto, make sure you give them that armbar / leg lock / Chris Angel ankle lock with the reverse DDT and the yeah, that move.
Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.
Aim for his what's that coin that you guys make me look at? Aim for his crypto pollo coin, okay? Did everybody give up on this COQ
What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the
We got the
news.
pollo
Revenue
coin.
proof, a building
Live
portfolio,
dump coming up
taking
on
what low with
Bitcoin.
Exceptional pain. I'm chopping this.
Woohoo,
So
let's
participation ain't a
go.
hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another
Ta-ra.
trade, get another play. They playing guys.
Welcome to
so
Bitcoin,
pretentious.
Grandma.
Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony.
Keep your prices, baby. Let's go.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto.
Don't forget
Fit the
Billy
party
Goat
like
Kills.
a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco.
I am the captain.
Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.
Let's go, Bitcoin dump it, baby. Who wants them cheap prices?
Alex O, crypto.
Otter gang.
Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Man, we having too much fun already on this stream. We can go longer. But first, we got to play. I got copyrighted yesterday, and you know I really don't care because we're having too much fun yesterday. But we're gonna play the same song as we did yesterday. If that's a problem, I don't think that's a problem. I think you guys enjoyed this yesterday, so we're gonna go with it. You guys ready for this? I don't think you guys are ready for this. You. Thank you very much. We're here all week, Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're day traders making money. We got the wooden shoes. We got the wooden shoes in the chat. We having fun. Lower prices, baby. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. 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 slow it down for the old school. Ship it up, old school. Boom, 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 boom. When the night boom, 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 and the lamps go boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. It's the only light we'll see. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go! It's Friday. That's all we got for you guys today. Bitcoin's dumping. We love Aussie. We are having so much fun. I used to love beatboxing when I was a kid, so I'd drop a beat for you guys anytime, anywhere. Man, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Lower prices. Join us in the free Discord. All those good things. I mean, we are so blessed to have you guys in our lives, have your attention. Your time is valuable. I don't want to waste it. Bitcoin is dumping. Change your mindset. We are getting a little bit of a fire sale. So let's go and grab some more, right? Much love to every single one of you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys and all you influencers for coming out and supporting the channel. Mark Dutch, Crypto Billy, Randy. I mean, God bless you guys. French Toaster, all you guys who are regulars. I appreciate every single one of you. Free Discord, all that good stuff. We are going to continue to show up for you guys every single damn day. So come in the Discord. I'll be there to help. Any questions, anything like that. Much love to every single one of you guys. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.